Step 1. Hardware connection. Firstly, power on the modem. Secondly, connect the telephone line to DSL port of modem. Thirdly, connect your computer to one of modem's LAN ports by a cable. Step 2. Set up the modem. Open a browser on your computer. Type 192.168.1.1 in the address bar and then press Enter. The default login username and password are both admin. Click Login. Choose the link type as DSL. Choose your internet connection type. If you don't know about it, please consult your ISP. We take PPPoE as an example here. Choose your country and ISP. If there is no your country and ISP, please choose Other. Input the VPI and VCI value of your ISP. If you don't know about it, please consult your ISP. Input the username and password that provided by your ISP. Change the wireless SSID and wireless key as you want. Check the connection status. If it shows connected, that means you can surf internet now.